Hi, my name is Chris and welcome back to the Benchtop Micro Shop. In this video, I'm going to show you a great simple project that you can make with your kids to engage them in shop activities, arts and crafts, and inspire them to learn a little bit more about nature. I'm going to show you how to make this very easy to build ant farm, and I even have plans on my website if you want step-by-step instructions with dimensions. Please note in this video I will have my oldest son in the shop. He's 5 years old. I've given him an orientation to the shop, most of the tools, and specific rules to follow along. So don't be concerned if you see him close to me working with machines. He has practiced these safety rules, and I'm very proud of the things he accomplished in this project. Take a board, okay, and now we're going to cut 2 grooves in it. Then, in the grooves, we're going to put some plexiglass.
Glass?
Yeah.
Do you have any glass?
I do. Now we're going to make some kind of sides and a top. How about that one? Let's use that one. You want to use that one? I don't know. Which one do you want to use? Okay. This is the base, and then it's going to be like this. This is called the throat plate. This is called a riving knife. It keeps the wood from coming back closed on the blade, because this blade can throw wood that way, okay? So here's the rule, okay? I don't want you to touch or reach, and if I push this through the blade, you don't touch it, okay? You keep your hands on the ladder, okay? Check the dust collection. It's all ready to go. Can you go turn on the shop vac?
Why are you making that taller?
So I can reach it right here. You only ever want your blade to be as high as you need it to be to cut what you're cutting. So it's something that you adjust a lot. And for the next one, we're not going to cut all the way through your piece, okay?
So I know what we're doing. Cutting a little thing like this. Do you want me to show you?
What? Sure. Show me.
Little.
That's right. We're going to cut 2 exactly. We're going to cut them like that. And then the glass will stand up in them. Do you see how that'll work? Yeah, that's what we're going to make. Okay, bud, turn on the vacuum again. So these are going to go in here like this. These 12 inches. We're gonna assemble this. We're gonna do what you call a dry fit or a mock-up. So where you put it together, just to see how everything's gonna fit.
See how everything's gonna fit?
Yep. So the first thing I want you to do is you're gonna mark what you're gonna cut. Okay. So we're gonna mark it right here. Okay. So you're gonna do this. But on the other side, okay? Put it right up against the edge. And you do the same thing on this side. Now, can you put that saw right up against this? Right here, like that? Nope, tight. And you're gonna hold it like you're shaking a hand. Can you shake a hand with it? With your right hand? The right hand? Yep. Right here, we're gonna actually. Hold it right up against that, okay? Guys, gonna bring this in close. How's that? Can you still move it? Pull it back and forth. Can you do that? Now, we're gonna cut. Are you ready to cut for real? We're gonna practice by cutting this piece, okay? Wait till Daddy tells you to start. And then you're gonna start it at an angle like this. Clamp this too, ready? Okay, okay, hold it by the handle like this. Go ahead and stand up. Now I'm gonna put it in. Now I want you to just go back and forth like that. Okay. Now, when you pull is whenever, don't put any pressure, you just pull. You're doing it. Okay, do it. And you pull straight. Just pull straight back. And that's the first. Saw should not bend at all, okay? So that's how you know when you're doing it right, if it doesn't bend.
It's not bending.
You're doing great. Okay, ready to cut for real? Hold still, okay. That's the line you marked, remember? That's the line you marked.
I lined it up. I lined it up.
Let me see. Oh, you did line it up. You did a great job. Okay, and Daddy's gonna clamp it, okay? Pull it out gently and put your saw on the bench. Pull it out, put your saw on the bench. Give me 5. Okay, that's what you did. How's that look?
I'm the best cutter.
You're a good cutter. Not the best. Don't go to your head. Ah, hold that saw. Don't let that go to your head, kid. You're still learning. You have a lot to learn, don't you? Hmm?
I'm the best cutter.
Yeah, you're not actually the best cutter yet. Yeah, you gotta practice. It takes a lot of practice to be good at something. You did it. Okay, put your saw down. Put your saw down. On the bench. On the bench. Okay. Now, you're gonna take it out of the clamp. Turn it counterclockwise. Turn this clamp that way. All right. Okay, now pick up the clamp and hand it to me. Give it to me. Now blow it out. Hey, look at it. How'd you do? Let's see. That'll do, kid. Good job. This is going to be your top. And in the middle, you're going to have a handle. Okay, so we're going to change the shape of this. This is a square. Lean it into the edge like that. Okay. Now we're going to use that to center this. The top is going to look like this. See how that's going to be, buddy? You see how your lid's going to look? Mm-hmm. Now look, let's turn it on. We're going to go get out a different saw, okay? And we're going to cut out this design. See how this looks the same as that blade? Mm-hmm. So this is a hand version of that. Or you might help me. Now look underneath. Look under the table. This is called the table. This is the scroll saw. Yeah, you see the blade? So this whole thing's going to move up and down, okay? So you don't put your hands under this table at all. Do you understand? Here, I'll show you. Ready? Go back. So it's
gonna do. See how that goes up and down? Yeah. Now watch. You ready? I'm gonna cut. Stand up. And watch.
This one's a little bit warm.
It does get warm. That's from friction. Yeah, you see how that goes back together?
That's the airplane.
Now you gotta get your hands a little messy, okay? But it'll wash off. Don't get it on your clothes though, okay? Here's how Daddy likes to paint. Okay, now we wait. Give me 5, dude. You did it. So do you remember the part you said you were gonna help with? I'll give you a hint. You'll see it in a second. Yeah, you are. Nope.
So if you're interested, I do have plans available for a couple bucks on my website. There's a link below. But really, this video is meant to just encourage you to get your kids involved in your passions